The Achilles tendon connects your calf muscle to your heel, facilitating walking, running, jumping, and foot flexion. If injured, wrapping the tendon can aid healing by reducing swelling and limiting movement. Choose between athletic wrapping, compression bandaging, or a combination based on the severity of your injury. Minor injuries may only need a compression bandage, while more serious conditions like tendinitis might require both. It's beneficial to have someone assist you with the wrapping process to ensure proper application, which should be done while keeping the tendon relaxed, using a protective pad to prevent friction, and applying anchor points above and below the injury, connected with tape running down the back of the calf. The wrapping should start above the ankle and cover from toes to the top. Make sure to secure the bandage well without cutting off circulation. Ice the area for 15 to 20 minutes several times a day to reduce inflammation and keep the injured area elevated to promote healing.